Hey you! I'm so excited. I'm here with Molly.
Hello!
This is actually the first time I've done anything fashion related on my channel. And thank you to the Dollar Shave Club for sponsoring this video. You're a huge fashion inspo to me.
Please.
No,
Thank you. Jeez.
Yeah, seriously, because you always really showcase who you are and your personality. We're gonna do all sorts of denim today and our like fave denim pieces, how we style them, like why we feel so attached, I guess. Because denim's really special.
And it lasts forever if you get good denim.
That's true.
You can have it for like 20 years.
Should we let everyone know what you've been up to so everyone can kind of, get to know you better?
Well, coming up, we're doing a video on my channel.
We are.
Iska's gonna be trying things she's never tried before.
I'm scared.
But I also just came out with my audiobook. It's not what it looks like. People have been loving it, which is like really sweet.
And you got Molly's beautiful voice. Telling stories.
That's what I was most nervous about, is like people hearing my voice in their high definition headphones. I was like, oh no.
You have a beautiful voice.
I'm very proud of it. I was like, I'm my own worst critic, as I think a lot of people are, especially like creatives.
And we wait to like perfect things. So that was my thing. There was like so many things I've wanted to do in the past and I've like not done it because it needed to be perfect. Perfect doesn't exist. Like let's just do it.
Exactly.
We'll never do it. How did you even start getting into YouTube? I mean, you really have been one of the most prominent figures on YouTube that talks about disability, and with your blindness, like that for me, like people weren't talking about it. It's very special that you have this huge platform.
I grew up watching YouTube, I was that generation. And I found YouTube at a time when I really needed it because I had just gone blind, I had lost all my friends, I was being bullied, dealing with depression, like I needed something. I found like the beauty, fashion, lifestyle girls on YouTube who were all around the same age as me, and they felt like my big sisters or my friends when I had no one. I always knew that one day I wanted to be able to start a channel too, but it took a long time to grow the confidence to do it. And when you open yourself up to the online world, as you know, like you're gonna face criticism. And so it wasn't until I was 20 that I actually like got the balls and was like,
which is still pretty young.
But I was like, at least out of school.
Yeah,
I wasn't gonna get bullied at school and online. Like at least it would just be like one place. I kind of joined this small community of disabled creators, and I mean 5 years later, there's so many more disabled creators.
I just think it's given so many other people the courage to go and do it too. I do have my first outfit on, and I'm wearing the hot pants. What else are they called? Daisy Dukes? There's a whole bunch of ways
short
you can
shorts, denim diaper.
What? No, I've never heard that in my life.
Really?
That's not catching on. Oh my goodness. These are actually one of the first pair of short shorts I've worn in probably 8-9 years. I actually felt a little bit insecure. I had someone say once, oh, that girl shouldn't wear, not me, but I was out with a friend and he was like, oh, that girl shouldn't be wearing shorts, look at her cellulite. And ever since that moment, I just subconsciously took it on board and was like, oh, that probably means I shouldn't. I like to make sure that I've got goddess legs, they're glowing.
You're feeling confident.
Yeah, they're smooth and they're shaved. There's something so like rewarding for me.
Getting into bed with the bed sheets on a smooth leg.
What I like to do is when I do my razoring and shaving, I like to put oil on as I'm wet in the shower. Just shaved, then I put my body oil on. And it feels extra moisturizing. And it can be anything, like it can be coconut oil while I'm still wet. Just gotta be careful you don't slide out of the shower.
Yeah, that sounds dangerous.
A little bit dangerous, but yeah. And that's how smooth my legs are. But I found this Dollar Shave Club pack so easy to incorporate because it just arrives at my door. It's really, really cool because it actually has a shave butter with it, and then it has a really heavyweight razor as well, which is really nice, and you can just put the different razor heads on. And the thing is, with it just turning up on your doorstep, so convenient, and Dollar Shave Club doesn't just have the shaving stuff, it has the deodorants and it has all the different creams. And yeah, it's a really convenient little thing that I can get. Every month or whenever actually, I can decide if I don't want it every month because I don't need as much. You can do it every 3 months or whatever it is. And your first box of Dollar Shave Club, it's only $5 and it comes with your razor, 4 heads with 6 blades, and your shave bar. This is special because it's not a foamy cream, it's actually a transparent shave butter that's so moisturizing, you can see through it. To get this amazing deal for only $5, you can head to dollarshaveclub.com/Iskra. All right, so should we get straight into some denim looks?
Let's do it.
Woo! I want to tell you about these shorts because it has been game changing. American Eagle, who I've been modeling with and working with for years, came out with curvy jeans, and then they brought out these curvy shorts. For the first time, I've just felt like I've got room in the bum and it's still tight around my waist. It sits so nice and flat here around my waist. I can't wait for you to try them, Molly.
I need to try them.
You need to try them. I was not gonna even try these on, and we were in New York, and me and Philip were going to a Gov Ball, hence my t-shirt, and they were like, oh, Iskra, try our new curvy shorts. And I was like, oh no, I haven't worn shorts in years. I'm not gonna go do a meet and greet in them. And then Philip was like, babe, I wanna see you in the shorts. I was like,
Philip, get it?
I was like, all right then, I'll do it for you. And then I put them on, and you know, he was really bigging me up and being like, whoa, you look amazing. Oh, thank you, babe.
I wish like we all had like a hype man, like.
Right, like, I'm really happy that I found shorts that fit. So yeah, my fave, short shorts.
I love that because when I was picking denim for this video, I have 0 denim shorts because I also don't wear shorts because I'm like insecure about my thighs. And so I'm actually planning to do a video where I face my fashion fear and try shorts.
Because they are like designed for curves, like I used to always have to grab at least a size 12 or at least a 14, but these are so stretchy and they're built for curves that I actually went down a size to a 10. And then I like to throw on a denim shirt, and this is like a lightweight denim shirt, and I can just tie it up, and I think this looks very cute. You know, similar but different, and I've still got my short shorts on, but you know, I've got another layer on of denim. I don't feel like denim has to exactly match. You can do double denim and it can be slightly off, or are you like not about that life?
They call it a Canadian tuxedo.
They
like
do.
Denim on denim. And even though I'm Canadian, I've never really been a huge fan of denim on denim. Like I'm really particular.
Not even Britney and Justin denim?
Okay, I mean, that's iconic. Like we can't, you know, nobody's arguing that look. I just feel like if I do denim on denim, it has to be like black jeans with a blue denim jacket or a white denim jacket with blue jeans. Like I have to like really change the color of my denims. I can't do 2 blue denims. It's like a weird thing. I don't know.
I get that. Well, right now I'm kind of doing 2 blue denims there.
But it's all personal preference because I have so many friends who rock the denim on denim and love it, and it totally works for them.
And I think that the color on my Statue of Liberty right now is really pulling in the denim color of my shirt. So there's other ways that you can match your denim to what you're wearing and the tones and the colors to make it all pull together as a full look.
I'm doing my first look with a denim jacket, and I'm a jacket fiend. I have so many denim jackets of all denim shades, colors, patterned denim jackets, but this is always just one of my go-tos because it's this Calvin Klein denim jacket that I've had since 2016. It's so stretchy.
Like yeah, I thought it might be, but at the same time, it looks structured.
It's so stretchy, but when you're not like needing it to be stretchy, it stays like very fitted looking. Yeah. And it stays like it holds its own shape. It doesn't just cling to your body because of the stretch. I also love that it's like a very light wash. It's quite different. It gives it a more like summery, springy vibe, being the light wash versus a more like dark wash or distressed look. There's just something about this that's like makes it my go-to blue denim jacket. And I also got it at like my first ever VidCon, which was like a really pivotal kind of moment for me. This time paired it with a plain white t-shirt from American Eagle. It's like one of those super soft, stretchy ribbed ones. And these gingham pants. I'm so into this trend. I think you can dress them up, you can dress them down.
It's so funny because when you came in as well, I was like, oh my goodness, the gingham pants.
Yes.
You know,
Everyone needs a pair of gingham pants. These ones are from Urban Outfitters. When I'm shopping, obviously being a blind fashion lover, I can't see the clothes, so for me it's really all about the texture, the shape, the feel, the fabric, the cut, more than the color and the design. Going around the racks, feeling how things are, feeling the construction, the fabric, the tailoring, that's what means the most to me. And I think that's why I love how stretchy this is, because I have other denim jackets that I love, but they just don't have that same comfort, which is why consistently this is the one I grab the most.
For outfit number 2, and this is my full white ensemble. And I didn't know until I moved to America that there was a whole thing about don't wear white after Labor Day. We don't listen to the rules. we do us.
Yes, girl.
I'm so into like my whites and my neutral tones. And then Molly is in her cute purples and pinks and like killing it.
In my brights.
In her unicorn vibe. It's so nice to like, you can also express yourself with denim items, but still infuse some color or white it out like I'm doing right now and have a little clean look. These are some white jeans that fit really well and are comfortable. And again, they're American Eagle curvy jeans. I know it's like all I wear now, but they fit. Look at this, I've not altered these. And they're just sitting flat
And they
everywhere.
they don't do the back of the bum gap? Because any girls with curves
Feel.
know.
Can you feel my bum?
Yes. Look at that, it's smooth.
Smooth.
Any girl with curves knows the issue of like, if it fits over your hips and thighs, it gaps at the waist.
That's what
And
I'm
if
saying.
it's gonna be fitting at your waist, it's not gonna go over your hips. Struggle.
So we solved it. And they're affordable, which is really, really important because there is some amazing brands that I do love that are kind of the upper end of like the hundreds, 200s. And that just isn't like, not everyone can do that.
And they last a long
They last
time.
a long
American
time.
Eagle jeans have been like my go-to since
Yeah.
I was 11 and I'm 25. They last a long time.
It works. And this is my cute little airy top that I reuse. I use it as like a base and I like to layer it really nicely. I'm wearing a bra with it, but it's like this meshy, stretchy fabric. So sometimes
Ooh,
I
I wanna
don't.
feel.
You wanna feel? You know that fabric?
Oh,
You've
yeah,
got-
yeah,
you've got
yeah.
this top.
Yeah, I do.
You've got this top.
I have that top.
And I've just thrown on a oversized white denim jacket because I think it gives a nice bit of volume.
One of many things I love about you is
Oh.
that, like, so many times if you're not like a stick, you're told you can't wear short shorts, you can't wear white,
Yeah.
you can't like, and you don't
That's
listen to those
true.
rules. And like we said, we don't need no rules. So I love that.
I have been told over and over again, oh, avoid white if you're bigger. You know, it makes you look bigger. What's wrong with that? Maybe we like a thick thigh moment, you know?
We love a thick thigh moment.
Exactly.
Correctly.
Mermaid thighs, we're all about that. So yeah, I think just throw out all of the rules and just, you know, embrace what you love and what feels good.
I am currently sweating bullets in this because it is a very warm day in the valley. This sweater is like, I feel like the perfect color for my hair.
Yeah.
Like
It's
it's
not
just
even funny.
it's
like,
perfection.
I don't know what came first, the hair or the
You know what? I had like another form of purple hair when I got it, and it worked really well with that too. And then I transitioned to this, and I was like, it still works. It's nice because it's kind of cropped, which I like because the jeans I'm wearing are super high-waisted. They're like an extra high-waisted jean. So I like that this is not like cropped, but it's a little bit shorter than a traditional hoodie would be. And then into like a nice sleek dark wash cropped jean. And I love that the end of these jeans are frayed. That's like
Yeah.
my favorite part of them because it gives a plain dark wash skinny jean a little bit of a fun flair. It gives your ankle like shape.
It's really lovely.
They're so comfortable, like just so stretchy.
Yep, the stretches in.
Right? I can do anything. Like I feel like I'm wearing leggings, which I'm so picky about that because I wear leggings so much of my life.
same.
But
Leggings and
these
sweats all
might
day.
as well be leggings. So the jeans and the sweater are both from American Eagle, which is funny because we met through the Aerie team, which is the like lingerie, lifestyle lounge, swim,
yeah.
intimates wear of American Eagle. We're both Aerie role models.
Yay.
And that's how we met.
It is. Okay, well now I'm qualified. What did you say?
Qualified.
Qualified. So basically, I just kind of used the same base outfit, but instead I threw on a flannel, which you could also tie around your waist. I love that look as well. And then just a black denim jacket on top. And it's just taken it from being like a full-on white situation to just a little bit darker, a little bit more full. The flannel's American Eagle again. We can't help it. When you're
They make good stuff.
They make good stuff. And when you're in the stores all the time, you're like, oh, I need that. Oh, I need that. And then the jacket is Paige. It's on the pricier end, so if you want like those investment pieces, they do some really nice designs and it has this extra kind of ruffle detailing. So again, just something else going on. I feel like it adds a feminine twist. You could rock a bodysuit underneath or anything like that.
And layers are so good for fall. Like fall is all about layers.
Exactly.
So the fact that you have like the tank, then the flannel, then the denim jacket, like it really qualifies it.
Oh my gosh.
Telling you, new favorite word.
She's making it a thing.
So this is my, I still want to be super comfortable, but I want to look like I put effort in, but truly I did not. A white top, but elevated. It's just a step up from a plain white tee. This is from Brandy Melville, but you can get them, like I have them from H&M, Garage, like I have them from a ton of brands, and frankly, I don't really support Brandy Melville for doing one size fits all.
You just need the cute little white singlet.
Yes.
And then you edge it up with the jean.
Yes.
Again, this denim is crazy.
These jeans are so fun.
With the balls?
You know what? It's like just fine. They're like really in there. There's like a metal backing on the inside of the jeans.
So it's not like those Diamante ones that are just
No, it's not just on. They're like, they were like on the pricier side for denim, but I found them at like small town outside of Milan.
Okay.
And I was at,
maybe a little bit unrelated.
Right? I like walked, I was on a family vacation, like a family reunion, all my family from Ireland and my family from Canada like flew in and met. And I went to this little boutique because I can't stop shopping everywhere I go. And I found these and the woman spoke zero English and the sizes were like small, medium, large.
Wow, with jeans?
With jeans. And I was
don't
like,
even know how that works.
Right? I was like, okay. And I like don't recognize the company. They're called Please, I think. And they have like their symbol is like
heart.
the little heart on the booty. But I just fell in love with them because I feel like they're like so unique. They're kind of like a looser, stretchy, comfy fit. They have the rips. They have the like pearls and bead details, and then I just love pairing them with these like slide-on flats because again, they're not a heel, they're not a boot, they don't feel fancy, but they like look dressy.
They look like the Gucci ones, not gonna lie.
But they were like not even a quarter of the price. They're from Madewell, and they are made very well. And I happen to have this Coach bag.
I love that little bag.
And I brought it home and everyone's like, those are like from the same roll of leather. Like, I don't know how it happened. So now I always pair them together and I just feel like with the white and the denim, it just adds, again, like a little bit of color to the look.
Yeah.
Not that my hair doesn't add enough.
For all of our looks that we've been wearing today, we're gonna try and link as many as we can so you can shop them and get your hands on them. And I just can't thank you enough, Molly, for being in this video with me and getting to hang out today. And thank you so much for all of you for subscribing. And thank you to Dollar Shave Club for sponsoring this video. Couldn't do it without you guys, so I really appreciate that.